Alrighty, so I'm going to do another backtesting session. This is from June 2025. I just chose a random month. I was going to do the whole month. I'm going to try and do it quickly, but I need to set some ground rules first, once again. So, after the big loss yesterday, I'm going to focus on valid stop losses, not just bullshit, on the candle body. Like proper stop losses. I'm gonna wait for proper confirmation. I'm gonna trade the same size. Yeah. We're gonna skip Fridays as a whole, and then we'll trade Mondays if it looks good. So let's get started. Okay, we have to do proper high time frame analysis as well. Look, man, that loss really cooked me. It actually sucks, but what can you do? So we're just gonna trade normally, proper high time frame analysis and everything. So let's begin. So start of the month, Monday. Okay, not much news. Sell sides, big sell move, elite all-time highs. No. Not near all-time highs or anything. I have an S&T here. But let's just look here. Okay, it's got a little bit of reaction there. Taking out these lows. Big bullish move up. We're in this buy side. Looks like we're respecting bullish movement, but we did just take out these as well. These highs here. This could be a continuation down by the looks of it. And it's paired with the gap that we have here as well. So opening gap. Next straw will be here. It's already been taken out. Okay, let's just see what happens, because we're coming from a liquidity sweep, getting a rejection down, the opening gap, continuing down. So let's just see what we do. Let's go on the 5. Yeah, we got those lows there. It's already been taken out by ES. Need to see if this gets taken out. If we start to reverse off it. Let's see what happens. Oh, we're in a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Don't piss me off. I'm not even at New York session. Jesus, that was retarded. Okay. New analysis. I was like, why is the blue moving? I didn't even notice the time. I'm gonna put some music on. Okay, so we're just gonna go for 30 minutes. I'm not gonna try and get the whole month done. Let's just do 30 minutes because I don't keep these short because work eats way too long. Okay, buying up, bounced off here. Still the same news. We got PMI at 10 AM. Buying way up, sleeping. Got these highs here. Got the opening block, the opening gap. Okay, let's just see how we react the draws on liquidity. We'll set this. Next draw is this. But we're in a buy trend. We've bounced off something. And we're continuing up. So it's just wait and see what happens here. so immediate displacement to the upside. You can't catch that as a trade. Not even part of my window. Taking out this in the opening gap. It is about to open. It's even bigger. It's actually that whole thing. Okay, so in the opening gap, most of the liquidity. Let's see if we get any rejection off this or if we just decide to continue. Okay, so I feel like this might be a continuation to these highs. Might want to climb up. Target this. If we break through this entire gap and we retrace and then it starts acting as support, that's what I think. Let's have a look. Yeah, we're just displacing. It's just been straight displacement for the past 3 minutes. Nothing really there. Nothing really to take the trade off of. Alright, so now that we're at this high, we have a big S&T. See if there's any reaction off this. I just think we keep going higher. Close below. I need to see like a good retrace or anything to continue this. If this is like a proper reversal. I don't think NQ is going to give it to us. If we get displacement off these candles, it looks pretty good. Okay. I'm going to enter that, and we're just going to target here. Our footsteps above. I could go for a 1-to-1. In fact, I'm just going to get stopped out though. Might be too big of a move. Like that's where I low-key want to target. I would have realistically had my stops here, just to play it safe in case we get any more internal manipulation. But I'd have my take profit there. Like genuinely, I don't think I'd go any more than that. So I'm just gonna exit. Yeah, we do keep going down, but I would have just secured my 1-to-1. Could have targeted the opening gap again, but it's just risky because we have all these buy sides. That was a good reversal though. Yeah, we go the whole way down. Damn, Loki could have caught. No, it's all good. Anyway, first trade. Pretty, that was actually a nice reversal. Could have held it up to the opening gap. It's okay. I want to secure profits off that S&T with this high. Beautiful. Anyway, next. Alright, 8 minutes. Let's try and get like 3 or 4 more trades in. And I'll stop the clock. Alright, so yeah, we've filled the whole thing. Bought back up. ES acting as resistance, support. I mean, very good. No S&Ts. Got this. No news Tuesday. We're in all these all these sell sides. We just tapped this on, got a rejection down. I feel like we do take out this high. Especially since ES tapped the opening gap. And that's how it's reacting. Okay, well there you go. First 30 seconds in and we just destroy it. Strong reactions down, we've inversed this whole thing. come up, sweep, and just straight down. Still too early to take a trade though. Inverse that sell side, got a sweep here. Continuation down, yeah. I don't like those wicks. I want to see how we react to this sell side. If I want to continue going down. I don't like this chart. If we get displacement down, even that I'm not very fond of. Okay, we closed above. And we have an S&T here. Yeah, I like you think this is a reversal time. Simply because we closed above and ES is showing good buying pressure up. Bang. I would have taken shorts here, but it was just like, it was so wicky and we had that S&T. Yeah, okay, that was good. I like that. That was a 940 trade. That was really good. See, there's more buying pressure than there is selling pressure. Yeah, I feel like ES wants to take out that high. Okay, whatever. Next. Yeah, we eventually take it out. Very nice. Alright. I don't think this is all time. You know. Just the next high in the bunch. Got this high in place, no S&Ts, crazy buying pressure. Kind of reacting off this. Oh, we've inversed on ES. Okay, I want to see how I react to this. Definitely. Might be news. Yeah, some kind of news, bearish news. We got 10 AM PMI again. Let's see what we do. So just reclaiming it. Let's see how we react after filling the whole candle. I have that news high up there. I guess it's close to taking it out too. I guess this is valid. I just don't think I'd take it. It's a pretty buns trade. It's just like a whatever trade. It's not that good. It's just a Sibby and displacement. Bissy respect and displacement. I need to see a little bit more. But we filled in this whole thing and get rid of that, taking out these highs. Ooh. That's the next, yeah, that's all the way up there. Let's have a look, see if there's any like rejection off this. If we decide to start going down. It's like a good trade, but oh, it's alright. Could have entered right here. Even then, it's only 13 points. Like, there's not even a point in taking that. Okay, so we're still getting displacement above. I want to see how we react to this high. Okay, axes. Okay, that's like just straight moving up. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. go for candle closure, man. That displacement makes me think, and like the busy disrespect, I think we want to keep going. Well, if I get taken out, that's just unfortunate. Might have been too quick to enter this trade, simply off displacement. We got a market structure shift. I want to put my tail and my stop all the way up here, and then I'll move it because we can. Just want to see how we react. If we displace the whole thing, if we start. Okay, I'm likely just gonna exit here. That is absurd. I really thought we were just gonna keep going up. We went the whole way back down. I hit take profit. That's crazy. Okay, that's why you hold your trades, man. I thought that would have been it. We just filled the whole thing, and we continue going down. I know better than to exit early. That's like one of my biggest challenges. I always just exit early the trades and always get taken out. That is so stupid. Damn. There you go. Alright, we got some kind of news candle. We're just taking everything, man. News destroyed it. What was it? There was nothing. What is this? 8:45. Probably some Trump thing. It's at 8:49, so there's some kind of. I'm gonna draw first. I reckon we start. Let's see. Just want to see how we react to this week if we reclaim it. So whatever that news was like crazy news going on. Slept a lot. Took out all this. We made equal lows of that. Very uncorrelated right now as well with S&Ts and whatnot, so it might continue going higher. Expecting this. See if there's any internal manipulation of these lows here. I want to see how I react to these lows. By the looks of it, it's around C. Alright, I reckon this is long. Just want to see if we. Okay, there's our sweep. Let's see if we get any like strong reaction down, or if we just continue going down to these lows. Okay, so like ES is just. No, I'm not gonna really look at ES. We have an S&T, so we have an S&T here. Okay. Now let's see how I react to this. Yeah, that's just rebalance. This looks good. Could be wrong though, it is very early. It's like right as the ticker hits my macro. Okay, stopped it. What went wrong here? ES is just continuous downtrend. Anything? I thought this was long. This looked like good replays. We displaced this little buy side, the sell side. I thought we just keep going higher, but guess not. Just wanted to continue down to those lows. Okay. Might just be wrong narrative then. Okay. Next day. So realistically, we've taken one loss because it's a Friday. I mean, let's have a look at the candle because like when there's NFP and it's a Friday, it's like low key better. Hey, at least I'm having stops in like good places. Like even though I lose, like that was just a wrong narrative day. Look at that. We just continue going higher anyway. Guess it was just too early into the day. S&T moving up. And then this big sell side. Let's see how we react to this high. Let's see if we can continue going up off it. But this very, very bearish down here. Might just continue that way. Obviously acted as some kind of PXH. Okay, go to sweep. Nothing's really happening right now. Really, I don't really want to go short, long, because of just how uncorrelated we are. Just took out that high. See if we get any rejection down now if we just continue to go up. Alright. So it looks like mark open. Just took out these lows. And displacement up. ES is taking it out now, so that's scaring me a bit. But since we're so bullish, I might just catch a 1-to-1. I could very well get taken out here. The reason I entered the long was because ES, we swept this high and we didn't get immediate rejection. We continued going up, so I thought that made me think that price wanted to continue going up and that this S&T was fake, which it was, because you know we blew past this high, rebalanced, displaced higher, and that's where I entered. Technology caught at the top of it. That's crazy. Still have S&T. We had an S&T here. That's what caused us to go down. If we go on the higher time frame, we're obviously not going to be at CE. Very close to it. How much are we at? 24? I reckon we can have one more trade. Got the sell side, buy side here. Tapped it, respected it. These highs, relatively equal. S&T here, a lot of rejection here. S&T makes me think that we want to continue going higher. top for the past like hour and a bit. We've taken that out. Next available high. Overall high. Do we have any news? It's the Monday, no news. Okay, it's just gonna be probably really choppy. Okay, displacement. Checking out these. Look at that as well. Okay, potential S&T. Rebalance, continuation lower maybe. There's that sweep. At this moment, yes, it's so much lower. Just taking everything. This kind of acted as like a PXL range. Respecting sweep. If we get a strong core as below, like it looks like a good short. Time to these lows. Low key. Like you want to wait for a bit more. I want to see if this hits. Respect this order block. Okay. I think it was just a retest to continue going lower. I'm just going to target 1 to 1. I'll wait one more candle. Yeah. No way. No way. That's absurd. Straight displacement and then we just continue going up. That's crazy. We ticked it as well. We didn't even take it out. We didn't even take out that draw and we just straight up reversed. We have this massive displacement below this low. Like it looks like we want to continue going lower. We don't even take out that low. Like that displacement just showed me that we wanted to continue going lower, especially because we respected PXL here. And we displaced the CB. And we reversed back up. That is crazy. It's already been 30 minutes. I'm only like... That's damn bro, that's actually crazy. I don't understand. Anyway. Let's try and get one more win. I'm happy that I'm actually just, having good stops, but my narrative's been wrong twice apparently now. Also traded a no news Monday. But that was a really good short. Like, I feel like everyone would have been baited here. Damn, bro. We'll do one more. We'll get this Wednesday done. Okay, SMT. See the move. Good work, he continue going lower. But we're in a, looks like we're in an uptrend right now. Just want to see how we react. It's just so many competing S&Ts, man. Bullish and bearish, non-stop. If I was stop below the displacement. Okay. There we go. Only minus 115. Let's just keep going. I reckon we'll do, it's 33. This was a good trade. Pretty simple S&T. And to see if that was true or not, I needed to see displacement above this sell side. And that's what we got. Nice target of those highs. And we hit it. Pretty cool. I want to see like a standard deviation trade, because there's some trades where price reacts to the standard deviation of PD arrays, and that's pretty cool. So I want to see if I can get something like that. Just do one more day. Wednesday, a bunch of 8:30 news. Today was bullish. Let's see if we come back into this. Highs, potential PXH. Fill this alley. Entering a new daily. Let's just see how it reacts to this PXH. That'll determine our trade. Let's also see. Let's just like sweet. Yeah, it looks like ES is continuing to go on. that a displacement? Not in macro yet, so I can't really take anything. We're in macro now, but you know, we're just getting displacement. Not really a good rebalance or anything. Just gonna wait. Still nothing. Tap that. Filled it. Need to see displacement back down now before I take anything. Okay, waiting. Still nothing. Internal manipulation there. If we start heading down now, then it's like you want to take this. Let's see if this hits. I got scared there for a second, but yeah. So even though we closed above the 50%, I wanted to see more movement up because I was overall bearish since we were below the CE of the news candle, and we just wanted to continue heading lower. Respected this sell side, sold off. The ES was the main driver here. Did not close above the 50%. So even though we closed above 50% here, didn't close above 50% here, and we got the displacement and I entered. And continued lower targeting, taking out all this. Oh, I don't know what that 804 candle is, but that looks crazy. And look at that. Crazy. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna end it there. So 11 days, $600. Pretty shit. Like always. But took one loss because I exited early. And then 2 losses due to overall loss of narrative. Like wrong narrative. Yeah, so this one was the one that I exited. This is a trade I lost due to narrative. And then this was a trade that I just lost due to narrative as well. Not bad. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 over 8. What's that? Fucking something. 60% win rate in 11 days. Not bad. See ya.